Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are back with another inexpensive Amazon brush review. This one is, I believe it's pronounced REONYX, R-O-E-N-Y-X. I'm not 100%. So, it's got a cool little pearl deal here in the handle, which I thought was kind of cute. But anyway, we are going to take a look at this one tonight. Unlike our last one, this one, it does appear to have some nylon in it, but it's got more of a sable feel and a better cut to it. So we are gonna get a good look at this one. I got my Kiara Sky Dark Pink because why not? Again, cool pearl handle though. It did come with a cap. It feels pretty sturdy. It is crimped. Like I said, there is nylon in it. Not sure, we won't know until we take a look at it exactly how much. So I already cleaned all the starch out of it, got all that out. Yeah, the color alone is telling me it's a bit, but they at least cut it tapered so that it doesn't, yeah. That is, yeah, that's pretty nylon. It's pretty dark. Like I said, yeah. Okay, I think this one was $8.99. I just, Lord. All right, so we're gonna, I removed my rubber pads from underneath my thing and it's annoying me. Everything's moving around. All right, let's go ahead and see how it beads up. You never know, right? But you guys can see it's pretty dead on nylon. Oh, I had hope for this one. They're taking this one back too. It's at 100% Kolinsky sable and it is clearly not. It is very small for a size 8. Let me just say it is super small. Even smaller than the one before. Yeah, see, I'm not able to get a lot of monomer on the bead because, so it's drying up pretty fast because the nylon doesn't release monomer. So it's harder to get a wet bead, which is kind of important. You can see it's pretty, without draining it, it's pretty dry. So it's gonna keep picking up that acrylic because it's not letting go of the monomer. So it just keeps grabbing onto it. You can already see the spots starting to form. All right, so we got another fail. Sorry these are so short lately. Wow, they're not giving me a lot to work with. And there aren't a ton of new brands, so. I will be doing the not polished this week, and I am so sorry for skipping the practice study group video this week. I wasn't feeling well, so we will, with the holiday and everything, and just kind of beat myself up, we will be getting back to it this week we are going to be doing short nails this week, a couple tips and tricks, because I know I struggled with doing short. I had such a hard time because I had practiced so much on my practice hand with long nails. I thought short would be easy and they just absolutely were not. Yeah, see, it's really hard to build with this because the beads are dry, so you can't really blend because they're drying up. But we're gonna be doing short this week because like I said, I struggled so much. I have a couple tips and tricks that might help. Yeah, so that's a fail. Yeah, sorry guys. I really feel like it's already, you guys can kind of see, it's already starting to clog up. Oh, wow, that's pretty bad. Like, it's not even trying. And I'm cleaning it off between each one, but it's just, yeesh. So that's a fail. I will not be including the link to this one. I am going to return it, obviously, because what do? We don't give liars our money. That's right. We do not give liars our money. I'm going to play with it a little bit more, though. I don't get it, like, And I know some people are gonna be like, well, it's cheap, what did you expect? No, I've built my whole channel on finding cheap brushes that are good quality. It's possible, they're out there. They absolutely exist. I can name 5 brushes right now that are actually sable for under 10 bucks. Like, it's just, there's no excuse. Or, they could be honest and say, hey, it's synthetic, but it's only $5, it's only $8, you're gonna trash it, so you have money to buy another one, whatever. There's no need to lie, you know. I don't think, and I have gotten that before. Well, what do you expect? I expect sellers to be truthful. I expect them not to lie to sell things and hope that you just don't know the difference and hope the beginners don't know the difference. It's ridiculous. The blame should never lie on us for not knowing that they're lying. You know what I mean? Especially because they are targeted at beginners. It literally says it in their ads, like, great for beginners. You know that's a lie. I hate that. I hate it. No, it should not be up to beginners to know better, to know that advertisers are going to lie. Don't lie. It's not that hard. Somebody will buy it. Like, I buy all kind of cheap brushes because I know I'm going to trash them. Like, okay, so what? It's just, it makes me very angry. I don't like it. All right, so like I said, I'll be including the link to the study group in all the videos, just in case anybody pops up and wants to join. Or if you have any questions you want to ask me, you can get on there and talk to me. I'm in there all the time. So I will be doing the not polished brush next. Monday we will be starting with short nails. We'll be, starting the study group back up with short nails. I have some fun snakeskin stuff that I'm going to be doing next week with real. Let me show you. Look what I found. I'll be working with Circe's shed and this because I found it and I'm very excited. Also, my tiger lilies bloomed and my friend Bulldog was like, you should do a set of nails inspired by them. So I am, and I'm also going to be using the flowers in the nails. So that's going to be fun. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching.